Hello students, today I will discuss about the topic. The name of the topic is network topology. Network topology of class 8. So first of all, what is topology? What is topology, or what do you mean by network topology? The geometric representation or the graphical representation of a particular network is known as network topology. The graphical representation or the geometrical representation of a network is known as network topology. So what is network topology? Topology means the graphical representation or the geometrical representation of a network is known as network topology. Network topology is basically divided into 5 types. That means bus topology, next one is star topology, ring topology, tree topology, and the last one is mesh topology. So 5 types of topologies are there: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, and the last one is mesh topology. And one newly invented topologies are, that is hybrid topology. So what is topology? Topology means the geometric or the graphical representation of a particular network is known as network topology. Topology is basically divided into 5 types. One newly invented topology is hybrid topology. The 5 types of topology are bus, ring, star, tree, and mesh. That means bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, and the last one is mesh topology. Clear everyone? And now I will discuss about the topology, that is bus topology. Today I will discuss only one topology, that is bus topology. Clear? So let's start. So first one is bus topology. In bus topology, suppose one wire is there, and here suppose I will draw the first one is diagram first. These are the particular nodes or the computers, you can say. This is the suppose this is node 1, node 2 and node 3. So 3 devices or 3 computers are connected with the help of this particular cable. The name of the cable is backbone. Backbone cable. And this is the USB port. You say the name of the port is tap. This is called tap. This is also a tap. This is also another tap. And this one is the connection, tap to the particular computers. The connection is known as drop line. Drop line. So in bus topology, suppose the computers are connected with the particular wire. The name of the wire is backbone cable. In bus topology, the nodes or the computers are connected with the main cable. The main cable or the central cable is known as backbone cable. And the nodes or the computers are connected with the help of backbone cable, tap and drop line. With the help of backbone cable, tap and drop line. Here the main advantage is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of bus topology? Suppose advantages. First advantages, first one is cost. It is less costly. Second advantages, installation. Installation process is simple. Suppose we want to install a new machine. We will have to install a tap here and a new drop line here and a new machine easily installed. So the advantages are cost, it is less costly, and installation process is simple. This is the main advantages of bus topology. And next, what are the disadvantages of bus topology? First one, disadvantage, if the backbone failure, if the main cable or the backbone failure, then failure of backbone, if the main cable or the backbone failure, then total network will be damaged. Clear? So today I will discuss about what is topology and what are the types of topology and bus topology.